Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to subscribe to the newsletter in the Maze Machina application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the heart button at the top of the page on the right. And here you can see that you can sign up for the newsletter. So just click on the sign up logo and just type in your email address and click on the subscribe button, and there you will receive news and updates from this game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.